I understand English properly, but I can't speak. While speaking, I'm making a lot of mistake. And when I come to talk anyone, I get stuck and my mind was blank. At that time, any word, any sentence not coming my mind. I don't know guys what happening with me. What happened with me at that time while I'm speaking, I get stuck. And while I want to talk someone, I want to speak English. I get stuck and I unable to speak. But start doing practice alone. I able to speak little bit, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I able to speak. But I speak someone, I speak front of any person, I get stuck and any word at that time, any word, any sentence not coming my mind. At that time, I don't know, guys, what happening with me. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how can remove this problem. If you get stuck and while speaking, if you making a lot of mistake. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you 3 tips. Guys, do you know why you get stuck? Because when I speak someone, when I speak front of any person, our mind translating a lot of sentence, like someone asked me any question, someone asked you any question, someone asked where any question. Our mind start translating our mind. That is why I get stuck, because guys, when I start translating, our mind take time. Okay, our mind take time. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you some tips. If you new our YouTube channel, so guys, please subscribe YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon and hit the like button and share this video your friends, your family members and your relative. Please share this video because guys, this video it will be helpful for you, for your family members, for your relative. It will be very helpful because in this video I am going to share with you some tips. How can you speak fluent when you start speak something? Guys, if you will watch this video till the end, definitely you will speak English. You will confidently speak English because in this video I am going to share with you some tips. It would be better. It would be very helpful for you. Okay, 3 steps. First thing is, guys, you think in English. First step is think in English. Yes, start, guys, from today start thinking in English. Whatever you see, start thinking in English. Okay, even you cooking food, start thinking and start imagine a story in English. Okay, whatever you do, like if you are cooking food, you are working, otherwise guys, whenever you are sitting, you start thinking in English. Everything start thinking in English. Everything think in English. You have to think in English. Okay, the first thing is, because guys, if you think in English, you able to speak someone in English, you able to talk front of any person, speak in English. That is why you think in English everything. So first thing is think in English. Okay, the second thing is talk to yourself. This is the significant role play. Talk to yourself. Whenever you free, talk to yourself. Start talking to yourself. Okay. So guys, if you talk to yourself, nobody judge you. Nobody will judge you. That is why I mention it, talk to yourself. The first thing is think in English, and the second thing is start talking yourself. Okay, when you will talk yourself, you feel free. Nobody here judge you. And guys, remember, if you make mistake, if you will lot of make mistake, don't worry. Make mistake, do mistake, because guys, if you make mistake, if you will learn. If you make mistake, you will learn. So that is why, if you make mistake, don't worry about it. Don't worry, don't lose confidence. Okay, if you making a lot of mistake, you will learn a lot. That is why, if you make mistake, don't worry about it, don't think about it. So first thing is think in English, and the second thing is talk yourself. Whenever you sitting free, you talk yourself. Other topic, like whatever coming your mind, you talk yourself. Okay, like two friends conversation, and sisters conversation, and mother and daughter conversation, sentences you watch and you talk yourself. Start talking yourself. The second thing is start talking yourself. Okay, got it? So, and guys, next thing is the number three thing. The third thing is start practicing every day. Because guys, so many people's Aisha, uh, they have lot of knowledge. They have know this language, but not speak fluently, because they don't practice. So that is why you have to practice daily. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you have to do practice. Okay, every day. Don't skip single day, because so many people know this language, but unable to speak. Okay, so you don't make these mistakes. Don't skip any day. Every day you will have to practice. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak fluently, you will have to every day practice. Okay, so got it? So in this video, I'm tell you 3 steps how can remove this problem. When you speak someone, when you speak front of others, you get stuck, your mind was blank. How can you remove this problem? So in this video, I'm tell you 3 steps. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, this video, and if you're new on my YouTube channel, so guys, please subscribe YouTube channel. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.